Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this Balenciaga Rodeo bag. This bag has three sizes, like small, medium, and large. And the one I got is the large one, which I love it so much. A lot of people saying like this one is similar to Hermes Kelly or Birkin, or even looks like the Chanel garbage bag. But I think it's okay because like nowadays brands copy like each other, so I think it's normal. The reason I love this bag is because it's so functional. I can use this bag for my daily like commuting to work or something. I can put my laptop inside. So you may ask like, is it heavy? To be honest, it's not that heavy, but it does have some weight. So if you cannot handle like heavy bag, I suggest you get maybe a medium size or smaller size. Because if you put your laptop inside, it will be much heavier. Another question is like, what is inside like? Inside you can see there are two main pockets. One here and also another one here. And also there's a pocket like with the zipper here, where you can put your credit card or something. The other thing I like about this bag is like there are two side pockets on the back. You can put your phones here and you can put your glasses here, so it's really convenient. And also there's a design like you can put your keys or something here, but I decide to put nothing here. And you may also wonder what about this part. And the design of this bag is really interesting. As you can see, there are two lights here. It's not the flaw, it's just the design. So you can lock it this way, so it looks like this. And also there's another lock here, like inside, where you can do it this way. So this part is still open, so I think it's really casual. It looks so cozy, not that serious. Or you can just leave it open, like this way. You can wear this bag like in many ways. First, you can use it like shoulder bag, or you can just use your hand to carry it. And also there's a strap comes with it. So you can wear this way or like cross-body way. Bottom, you can see there are 4 studs here, so when you leave it on the floor, it doesn't scratch your skin. Overall, I think this is my favorite Balenciaga bag so far. And please let me know what you think of this bag. And you can also follow my Instagram for more styling photos with this one. And looking forward to seeing you guys really soon. Have a good day. Bye bye.